you didn't show up to Kaufman's funeral?
I don't show up to any funerals.
Yeah, I bet you don't. Because you're scared. You're scared. You'll actually show a human emotion.
I'm scared I'll be bored to tears.
Have you ever thought that this might be what causes people to abstract in the first place?
Oh my god! Are you seriously gonna blame me for something everybody else did too? You don't even know it. You don't even know what people are like before they abstract. They are not pleasant to be around. Like at all. You...
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you are. Oh, man, this is all sorts of embarrassing. So, you're gonna show me or what?
What would you do if I abstracted tomorrow?
I'd move on. And probably forget about you.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
Jeez, you really can't take a joke, can you?
You're not the funny one.
I don't think that counts. What are you doing?
Fight back!
Are you crazy?
I said fight back!
Stop! What's wrong with you?
Why didn't you fight back?
Oh, here we go, here we go! Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you. I'm just a misunderstood little chicken fetus in an egg that needs to be cracked open. Well, I am not. I do not care about you or anyone else in this circus in the slightest. End of story. You are my playthings, and I get joy out of making you suffer. I'm the one who causes pain for fun. If I led you on, it was just to make this part hurt you more. There's nothing more to me. So please, just stop looking.